kids! Today we're going to learn about numbers, colors, shapes, and even a little bit of math using this cool puzzle. Do you see what's on the puzzle? Yeah, there's a bunch of numbers, and they're all different colors. And if you look right above the numbers, there's a bunch of different colored rings. Each set of rings is in the amount of the number below it. Let's check it out. This is the number 1, and it's purple. Over here you can see one purple dot. Right above the purple number 1 is one purple ring. This is the number 2, and it's pink. Over here you can see 2 pink dots. 1, 2. And right above the pink number 2, you can find 2 pink rings. 1, 2. This is the number 3. Can you tell what color this number 3 is? Yeah, it's orange. Over here you can see there are 3 orange dots. 1, 2, 3. And located right above that orange number 3 was 3 orange rings. 1, 2, 3. This is the number 4, and it's the color light blue. Over here you can see there are 4 light blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right above that light blue number 4, we have 4 light blue rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the number 5. Do you know what color this number 5 is? Yeah, it's dark blue. I like to call it navy blue. Over here, there are 5 navy blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right above the navy blue number 5, we have 5 navy blue rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number 6, and it's light green. Over here you can see there are 6 light green dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And right above that light green number 6, there are 6 light green rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the number 7, and it's dark green. Over here you can see there are 7 dark green dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right above the dark green number 7, there are 7 dark green rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the number 8. Can you tell me what color this number 8 is? Yeah, it's yellow. Over here you can see there are 8 yellow dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right above the yellow number 8, we have 8 yellow rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the number 9, and it's orange. Over here you can see there are 9 orange dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And right above the orange number 9 is 9 orange rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And last but not least, we have the number 10. Can you tell me what color this number 10 is? Yeah, it's red. Over here you can see there are 10 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And above that red number 10, there are 10 red rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we've looked at all of our numbers and all the colored rings that go with them, let's check out the stuff that's on the top row of our puzzle. It looks like on the left part of our puzzle, we have a few shapes. Let's check them out. This shape is a square, and it's red. If you look at all of our numbers here, do you see a number that's also red? Yeah, right over here. The number 10. Let's put the square down with it. Do you know what this shape is? Yeah, it's a circle. And what color is it? Yep, it's orange. Do you see a number here that's also orange? Yeah. The number 9 right over here. Let's put the circle down with it. This shape is a triangle, and it's the color yellow. Do we have a number here that's also yellow? Yeah, it's the number 8. Let's put the triangle with the number 8. This shape is a star, and it's dark green. Do we have a number here that's also dark green? Is this one dark green? No, that one is light blue. Guess we better try again. Yeah, it's this one right here, the number 7. We'll put the star next to the number 7. And our last shape is this hexagon, and the color is light green. Do we have a number that's also light green? Yep, you got it. It's this 6 right over here. We'll put the hexagon next to the number 6. It looks like the rest of the pieces on our puzzle are math symbols. Let's clear all of our numbers away and learn how to use them. This symbol is called the equal sign, and it happens to be purple. You use an equal sign when you want to show that two things are the same amount. Let's check it out. Here's our number 2. Let's put it on one side. And here are 2 pink rings. Let's put them on the other side. So here we have 2 equals 2 rings. The number 2 is on this side, and there are 2 rings over here. They're the same amount. So we can say 2 equals 2. Let's look at another one. Here we have our 5 navy blue rings. Let's put them on one side. And here's our navy blue number 5. Let's put it on the other side. So here we have 5 navy blue rings equals the number 5. See, they're both the same amount. All right, let's move on to our next math symbol. This symbol is the greater than sign, and it happens to be orange. The greater than sign is something you use when you want to show that one amount is larger than the other. Let's see what we can do with this one. Here we have our dark green number 7 again. And here is our light green number 6. Right here we're showing that the number 7 is greater than the number 6. That's because it's a larger number. Let's see it a different way. Now we have 7 dark green rings on this side and 6 light green rings on this side. So we point the greater than sign over here to the larger number, 7. If you're confused about which way to point the greater than side, think of this opening here like a mouth. The mouth wants to eat the bigger number, the number that's greater than the other one. Let's check out our next math symbol. This is a plus sign. It happens to be navy blue. We use this when we want to show one number being added to another one. Let's see what we can do. Here we have 3 plus 4. Let's show it with the rings. Here we have 3 rings and 4 rings. Let's count them all up. 1, 2, 3, plus the 4 rings over here. So let's continue on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we would say that 3 plus 4, here's our friend the equal sign again. 3 plus 4 equals 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on this side and 7 over here. They equal each other. Let's see it one more way. Here we have 7 plus 3. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 3. And we'll continue on. 8, 9, 10. So we can say 7 plus 3 equals 10. Ten on this side and 10 on this side. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, time for our next math symbol. This is a minus sign, and it happens to be light blue. We use the minus sign when we want to take away one number from the other. Let's see how it works. Here we have 3 minus 2. So what we're going to do is take 2 away from 3. See what happens when we move these rings away? Taking 2 away from 3, you'll see we have 1 left. There you have it. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So, I was wondering why this puzzle didn't include a multiplication sign. Then I realized this plus sign can be turned on its side, and that's what it becomes. This is called a multiplication sign. It happens to be navy blue. For short, sometimes we call it times. What we do with this is that we try to count one number a certain number of times. Let's see an example. So here we have 2 times 3. It's kind of like we're asking, what would the total number be if we counted 2 groups of 3? Let's use the rings to find out. There's one group of 3. And there's the second group of 3. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means that 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 groups of 3 equal 6. Cool. Okay, let's do our last math symbol. This is a division sign, and it happens to be pink. We use the division sign when we want to figure out how many of one number fit inside another. Let's see how it works. So here we have 8 divided by 4. We need to figure out how many times the number 4 fits inside of the number 8. Let's use our rings to help us. You can see with the 8 rings, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on this top row, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4 in the bottom row. That means the number 4 fits inside the number 8 2 times. 8 divided by 4 equals 2, because the number 4 fits inside the number 8 2 times. All right, let's put all the pieces of our puzzle back. All right, let's count all of our rings now. We got 1 purple ring, 2 pink rings, 1 and 2, 3 orange rings, 1, 2, 3, 4 light blue rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 navy blue rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 light green rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7 dark green rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 yellow rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 orange rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 10 red rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, good job. It was so much fun learning about numbers, colors, shapes, and even a little math. Hope you had fun too. Thanks for playing with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye!